This are for me yardy people them. Jamaicans. I know someone who will want would have love to get an opportunity to come a foreign. I know someone who would have love for you can even get set foot on a side. But one thing me I tell you now. It's one so I not discourage nobody or nothing. But as you say once you set foot on the soil, just make sure say you're ready for what. Because you see the whole away, all our have foreign set up a certain way in our mind. And then when you come here, trust me, to blood clot or something totally different than what you see. Than what you have prepared in your mind. You hear me I tell you? And especially if you come and is a runoff victim and a plan for come be an illegal immigrant. Boy, oh boy. Just know what you do. Please, me I beg you. I mean, I know everybody, you have to just trust in a God and believe still and have faith. But I know everybody come and know say, yo, Ray, things can go good for them. My story is just one story. Yes, so I say I'm not come here for vent. But I love to know say whatever I say right now can at least prep a person and know. So I say the life for you come here, come live your own life, but whole heap we have it similar. The same all when you come a foreign blood clot family treat you like a shit. Yes, so I say the blood clot water when me come a foreign, the blood clot water whisper. Me come in, come drink free of blood clot cause the first time me come at my people them yard. You see a month later, the water there, me have to go pay for the water there. Yeah, me tell you, me daddy and see my family put blood clot sticker. I mean a person literally cut out sticker to blood clot and write on paper and literally tape and put upon every blood clot thing in the fridge. Yes, so what I say, upon everything in the fridge where them don't want you touch. You hear me I tell you? Little blood clot things like a thing a can to blood clot them why them a put all things pan. You see your washing soap, you can't blood clot wash with that. You hear me I tell you? And it's rough. But me I tell you say, let me tell you, when you come and you get a set of family whisper, we do things for you and make certain things happen certain way. Take it and blood clot, run with it. The one them will come here with the green card in them hand and them something there. You hear me I tell you? And come and blood clot get it too easy. I'm tell you, see for man, you see if you come here you plan for enough, you see for a man, it's easy for you to find one big old all one stinking fat girl. People there want married, the girl them want married, it's easy for them. Your blood clot or your pan just run bus in a marriage pan them, fuck them in a them whole good and just hold on and tarry. Put a ring pan them finger, them must help you. But you see for the woman them, the man them afraid. Them afraid cause them afraid for married. That's what I say. So a woman I forgot I gotta do it. I forgot do it rest. You see the one them will come here and them sell up the whole heap of drugs them. I nah gonna tell you say me nah gonna do no drugs. Cause you see me is a girl, me sell my pussy. Me rather sell my pussy. I know say you're rare. Yeah, so I say but me love my freedom. Me prefer for go sell pussy than for go do it, than for go spend how much years in a blood clot jail. That's what I mean. But at the same time, like me I say, come prepare, come correct in a this foreigner. Cause you see when you're there at Jamaica, and when you can go over your neighbor, when I'm there at Jamaica, I go over my neighbor. And my neighbor cook a pot or red peas soup and all of them things and rice and tin mac rice and sitting. And you can say beg a plate, you can anchor half of them food. But you come a foreigner, my blood clot, you don't ever see your neighbor. And if your blood clot see your neighbor, you can't go over them yard, go beg them nothing. You hear me I tell you so, love you no Jamaica. I love it good. You can't go beg your damn a piece of time or some sugar to make your blood clot Kool-Aid. You can't do it. You hear me I tell you? And then not only that too, but for no say yo, Ray, you saw me I say? When me there at Jamaica, I go trust thinner mackerel from Mr. Powell and half pound of rice. Because the rice swell up big in the pot. And you go trust from Mr. Powell till your mother come from work. So I say, because Mr. Powell knows say it's a trust thing and him put all y'all have a tab. Y'all have a blood clot tab a shop. You hear me I tell you? But you don't know the runnings go and you don't know the works go. They may place ya. If you don't blood clot pay your bill, you don't live nowhere. I come a foreign to blood clot, come sleep on road already. You hear me I tell you, come sleep on road. I wasn't a crackhead. I never blood clot they on homeless street and them something, but I just life blood clot reach me and people put you out of them yard. You see what I say? People put you out of them yard to blood clot and you have to sleep on road. I sleep on road already and stranger pick me up off a road. One Jamaica woman big up blood clot Barbara because you me say every day you take me off a road. You hear me I tell you? Yes, so I say when dirty people fuck you over. You hear me I tell you? And yo, at the same time too, at the said time too, that's why I say, yo, I would have just blow this blood clot and whatever. Yeah, but yo, it's like I may try to say is come a foreign and come and do nothing. That's what I say. Do nothing. Come live and live good and live happy. You hear me I tell you? And come and when you come cross over here, just know say ask the person who come back. Over here not easy, over here not nice, you know what I say? And don't me tell them and prepare a thing you might have said to yourself, oh that a fair life and yes my life and my life is different and everybody's life different. But guess what? May I tell you? You see some people, you have some people just born in the fuckery, you know. You know what I say? Just born for go through things and hard life. And they have some of them whisper come and the things them just are on them. Me they are the blood clot, cook out the blood clot, I walk out with my plate and a anchor. And you have a next person with a blood clot. The food just a landing on them plate like it a drop from the sky, like when God bless the blood clot 5 loaf and 5 fishes. You hear me I tell you? And them a get things. You hear me I tell you? But guess what? Yeah, them get it too fast. So guess what? It don't last. You hear me I tell you? It don't last. None at all. And blood clot my throat. And them people there. And them the people there. Take it and don't take it good. And don't take it to good use. That's why I say. Them not take it and make it a good use. You have some blood clot people and them feel as though say you're right. Them come and them shit pan you to blood clot. But God not sleep and God don't like ugly. You hear me I tell you? You have some blood clot people. If them just live good and live right, everything we alright, you know. But all when your blood clot have it, you have bad mind all the push. I say media fine and I tell you, people chat me like a CVM TV. People sit down for my name like I tell so like a back pocket rag dog. You hear me I tell you, people chat me and me are no celebrity. Me are no celebrity and people sit down for your blood clot name. The amount of things with them chat, them tell me say, yo, I come a friend and I turn freak. My well tattoo up and beard things and something. And them said blood clot people they keep freak party. We no fuck woman, we no suck pussy a blood clot. Yes, I come a foreign and I suck all the powder. Yeah. Yeah man, we don't afraid for talk. That's what I say. I want I'm my mouth. I'ma do whatever me feel. I'm not responsible about some people. Yeah, me I tell you, Pussy hole you don't want drink from me. Pussy hole me first of all me in a share in a cup. So if you want talk or you want talk, you talk where you talk. Cause me is a girl, me in a business. You may I tell you, when a blood clot girl talk about me, I do this and me that I'm a ton freak of foreign. I go freak with my blood clot, man. As long as I'm not freak with no girl, I'm not rub the blood clot catches with no girl. I take wood, I take all the wood in my lifetime. And all the cocky. And me no response what a dirty girl want to say. All when them my fuck, them tell me say. All when me no fuck, them say me fuck. You hear me I tell you? But we no response. We no take it for nothing. We just leave it like that. You hear me I tell you? And all if a fuck will go through, I come here and go and get all hold to my head. You hear me I tell you? My own blood clot family member rape me. We not talk about them things there, you know, because you know me I say from you look good and a pussy have underneath you, although some man a blood clot dad. But you look good and you have pussy underneath you. You must get feel up at some point in your fucking life. You see what I'm saying? You know what I say? But I just go for show you say you can't make certain things fuck you up. You hear me I tell you can't. Some people talk and them, I tell them something I live on the road, some people sleep on the road, some people say, yeah, I'm sleeping on my car already. Now I saw the blood clot there, but you sleep in a car. At least you have a car to fucking sleep in. You have a car for sleeping in. You have a car for sleeping in. Certain days I wish me did blood clot of a vehicle. Because when I don't live in that pussy clot, they live beard shower, do every blood clot thing that. I just would just go in a public bathroom and go wash up my front. You hear me I tell you, wash out the salt out tight. But other than that, I did glad for blood clot of a car for living now. You see me, them fight against you still and people, all the people fight against you. You know me I say, you live. But guess what? At the end of the day, you have to just trust in a God. You have to trust in Him. And so I say you have to trust in Him. Because you say if you don't trust in Him and you don't blood clot, remember I tell you say man things are going to reach you. And that place all it do is chew you up and spit you out of them blood clot mouth. All they do is come and find and pay work and pay blood clot bills. When you're there Jamaica and you're catching with somebody at them yard. Be blood clot happy about it. Because even if you go to the party and the selector go ball out and tell us, go ahead, all of the girls them on the bed or whatever. How will people don't have a blood clot bed, but guess what? You live somewhere. Take it and take it good. Listen to my Jamaica people. Wanna just understand and live life and love on life. Love blood clot life and live it to the fullest. Yeah, me I tell you, live it. If a party, you say a party, you say. But nobody go in at the party and just make it all be about party. Party and do something too at the same time. That's what I say. I'm going to tell you something is a blood clot weighted. I burn up and smoke up my weed. Yeah, me I tell you, I smoke it. Yeah, me I tell you. That's what I say. I'm a smoke it, I'm a party, I'm a chat fuckery. Yeah, me I tell you about guess what? I do my job, I have my job right now already. I can't say the blood clot, boy, I mean, I to forget my things. The post will make me know say I'm there on my period to blood clot. And the boy has said to me, why Yankee, boy. Boy, I got said to me, say, them something they are freaky things. The boy I got make me know say, alright. He want fuck me for my period. After me in some blood clot, pain I reach, my pain I lick me under my caca clot. The boy I got make me know say, alright. Bitch, more fuck you on your period. I go pick up the blood clot knife. I'm say pussy and not fuck me for my period, you know. Yo, so I'm saying not fuck me for my period. I say to him, so I say I have a whole heap of porn in there. I say I can't wait 4 days. 4 days for my period done. 4 days you can't wait for my blood clot period done for you come saka out my hole. That's what I say. Pussy cocky never, blood clot pussy hole cocky never even the big much less. Cocky never even the big much less. But him well want come but him want fuck pan period. Yeah, me I tell you, I put on the blood clot knife in front of him and I make him know, say, listen to me, at Jamaica me come from pussy hole. And you might be a blood clot Yankee, but we no fuck pan blood clot period. Yeah, me I tell him, me under me there, me under all my blood clot pain and all them blood clot things there. I make the pussy hole, you know, I say you have a whole heap of partner in you don't go watch one of your partner and go jack off your blood clot hood. Yeah, me I tell you, where you want fuck so much. The post will make a note and say, go show you how things rough. The post will make a note to blood clot and say to me, say, yo, hey girl, you see, if me go in a room and go blood clot, jack off my would me a come in here, me a go come bust pan you. But say I raise up all in the pain on blood clot there. I'ma say pussy hole if me say man if you see the coffin where you like man and you see the blood clot place where you want to be laid to rest. You always I say you want to bury on top of your dead blood clot mama. But I say if you see the blood clot coffin and you find the spot where you want blood clot, I say come here with your blood clot nut. Come in here with your nut dog. Cause me I tell him say me da Lorena Babette the cocky there. Pussy will never see me. I'll go over the pussy will yard. This are the boy me might to forget my thing, you know. Me I'll go over the pussy will yard and the pussy will say to me say, yo, I bring you come over here. Right. You me I say, I bring you come over here and whatever. You know? And the boy not have no blood clot food in the house. The boy say I have $50. I say alright, then you have $50. I say alright, I go to the store and I buy up chicken back. I buy up chicken gizzards. I buy up all the cheap blood clot meat them where you can get a foreign for some $2 a pack and them something there. I buy rice and I buy onion and tomato so I can season up the meat good and thing and I say all food them I cook the dirty stinking boy and your man give me none. But me not say nothing cause God nah sleep. I'ma say oh my God the blood clot immigration the people them give me the something. And yeah, I still I got through blood clot things but guess what? Tanya is okay. My okay. You hear me? My okay in a blood clot. I always I wish I say I could have did drive and race. Me I drive around in a blood clot foreign and me I do my things and guess what? It not done yet, it just a start. You see what me I say? But all me I say to the world say, just listen and just hope and just pray. Because you see when a blood clot somebody a burn bad lamp for you and them a do this and them a do that and them a burn the bad lamp for you. No worry yourself. Because the bad lamp with them burn for you send dirty thinking blessing up in the sky for you. Listen to my man. While you go through your pain now, them for prepare for them blood clot pain. It'll take me a whole day to tell you some things the blood clot of me go through and what people go through. Me not while them. I now go tell you say me I go make a pussy welcome and come box me up on the blood clot cheek. And me not do something about it, you know, but you see verbal things and you know what certain things you can't avoid. Allow them to the time. God me say straight peace out. Watch out for the next blood clot video tomorrow. Or whenever my head take me, I burn up my light up my fire, I light up my weed and my head take me ready for talk again. Look out for it. Tanya my name. Peace.